Isang netizen nga ngayon ang nagbigay ng kanyang saloobin hinggil sa pagkapanalo ni Carlos Yulo bilang gold medalist, hindi lang isa kundi dalawa sa Olympic. At kung ano nga ba ang mga pinagdaanan nito. Narito ang kanyang naging open letter. I am trying to wear Carlos Yulo's shoes right at this moment to able to understand what's going on inside his heart and mind. Here you are, after training so hard for years for the Olympics with a heavy heart dahil sa problemang personal sa pamilya. Ilang taon ng depresyon na ayon mismo sa kanya brought him to a point na hindi na niya alam kung ano ang kanyang gustong gawin at kung saan siya tutungo. Mga panahon ng self-doubt o kawalan ng tiwala sa sarili. Nag-iisa siya during those dark moments. Andun ba tayong lahat para sa kanya nung mga panahon na yon? But he managed to overcome all those trials and tribulations with the help of few people who stood beside him. Then came the gold. Walang ni isa mang kaluluwa sa Pilipinas na hindi nagdiwang at pumuri sa kanya after that. Typical human instinct that everyone loves a winner. Yes, he brought joy and honor to every single Filipino and he was embraced by everyone instantly. Tapos na expose yung matagal na nilang problema sa pamilya. Linawin ko lang, hindi sa kanya nagsimula ang paglabas ng mga komento tungkol dito ha, and sadly without knowing the real score behind the whole story, again, a typical human instinct people easily jump to conclusion and judge the poor guy as an ingrate son to his mother. Even dragging his GF sa eksena who was there all the time for him during all the challenges he had to face prior to his win. Why can't we just happy for his achievements as an athlete and let him fix his own personal problems? Who are we to judge the poor lad? Naapektuhan ba ang mga sarili nating buhay ng problema nilang mag-ina? Sino sa atin ang walang problemang personal lalo na sa pamilya? We owe this kid a lot of for bringing honor and grace to our country at sa lahing Pilipino. That alone, I believe that he deserves our respect as a nation. Leave him before Christ's sake. Kung makapuna kayo, para namang mga perpektong tao at pamilya kayo. Anyway, isa namang text messages ngayon ang nag-leak. I don't know kung ano ibig sabihin ng text message na to, pero ibahagi nga natin. Narito ang nasabing convo. Hi, Mrs. Cynthia. I heard that there is an event in the Philippines on the 12th with President Bongbong, just wondering what it entails. Sumagot si Mrs. Cynthia at sinabi niyang only for the medalists. Carlos and our 2 bronze medalist boxers. Why are you in the Philippines? No, I just heard there were track athletes going and that everyone is invited, so just wanted to check in. Ito po ay post ng Facebook page na COVID pandemic at sinabi niyang kasinungalingan daw. So I don't know kung ano ibig sabihin ng text messages na ito, na everyone is invited, pero alam naman natin na si Carlos mismo ang di umano ay nag-message sa family nito na wag nang papuntahin. Siguro dahil na rin for their safety, dahil sa dami ng media doon at gustong ma-interview ang pamilya nila, imbis na maging solemn ang ceremony ay magkaroon ng tensyon. Yun lang yun. So yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.